We have over 250 academic and applied labs for our students to get hands-on with academic and technical concepts. We also have a sandbox environment that we can use for our instructors to create custom lab experiences. We have a fictional company called South Balance, and we've built out a corporate infrastructure for that fictional company to promote problem solving in real world scenarios.
The lab literally is, for me, that space to just practice the trade and go back through it until I can hone those skills. The labs, they've grounded the theory for me personally. Each lab is aligned and integrated for the appropriate portions of the course. There is that balance of readings, the videos, articles, and of course the professor-led sessions. Theory is great, but what I do find is what better settles in my mind or the hands-on aspect of the labs. So my time essentially growing up in my adult life in the Marine Corps, the hands-on training was essential for that mental muscle memory needed to solidify skill sets. And Tulane is not set it up like a one-time pass-fail test, but that place where you can hone your skills. So if you do get hung up somewhere in a lab, you can always reach out to your instructor for help.